Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide apps on your Realme device. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to secure your privacy by concealing applications. You'll learn how to set up a privacy passcode and easily access your hidden apps whenever you need them. It's a straightforward process designed to keep your personal information private and your phone organized. To begin, open your phone's main settings application. Scroll down until you find the Privacy option and tap on it. Within the Privacy menu, you'll see various features. Look for and select the Hide Apps option. This is where you'll manage which applications you want to keep out of sight from your main app drawer. Once inside the Hide Apps section, you'll see a list of all your installed applications. Simply toggle the switch next to each app you wish to hide. The system will then prompt you to set a privacy passcode. Choose a strong, memorable code. You'll also need to answer a few security questions to help recover your passcode if you ever forget it. Accessing your hidden applications is quite simple. Open your phone's dial pad just as if you were making a call. Enter the unique access code you created earlier, which typically starts and ends with a hash symbol. Once entered, a hidden folder will appear, revealing all your concealed apps. From here, you can open them or choose to unhide them if you wish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.